with an
And
nitrous.
nitrous, yeah.
Hoontv!
So it's Saturday morning and I'm in Utsunomiya in Japan. I've been here before a long time ago, probably 12 years ago. Got the GDR here, which is pretty cool. But I'm at Ultimate. It just looks like a big workshop in the background. I came here a long time ago, shot photos, and it went into High Performance Import magazine, but I never really got a chance to film because we're only here briefly, not properly. But Tetsu San, who speaks amazing English, which is very good, is here and he's working and he's happy to show me around. So yeah, it was good to see him too. Walked in, had a coffee, catch up, and now I've got the camera out and I'm gonna go and annoy him. So let's have a look around. So here we are, we've got the GDR out the front and it is a big workshop, this workshop. And we are well outside of Tokyo in the big cities. It is a pretty built up area, lots of farms and stuff like that. Got a token 300 just sitting over there and a heap of shipping containers that I have no doubt are full of really cool stuff and cars maybe. But as we walk in here, Motoring Shop Pro Ultimate. And as we walk in here, so this place has been open since 1988. He's been here a long time and has a very good reputation in the industry. He's been to America many times. It's just Z everything over there. We're going to walk through the showroom now and have a look. So he's out there working on his mate's car at the moment doing an oil change. As you can see, all sorts of Z paraphernalia, Ultimate Z Car Club, all this cool stuff. Set of Makunis for an L series here, posters, bottle of nitrous, every single Z or Nissan Datsun badge you could think of. Yeah, everything cool. It's such a wicked place. And if you're a Z car guy, then this is your jam. So much stuff. He's been around a long time, knows a lot of people, and have utmost respect for this guy. Awesome. All right, well, let's sneak out the back and throw a microphone on the big guy and have a look. This is my good friend, Tetsu San.
Hello.
Hello. He speaks amazing English. Tell me, how long have you been in business? 1988?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1988.
Nice.
And yeah.
It's a long time.
And what made you start this business?
Oh, just I love Fairlady Z. Yeah. So I want to make enjoy the car, do some modifying.
Cool. Well, do you want to show me some stuff?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's very humble, this guy. Very modest. I think he's very famous though, isn't he? Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're out in the workshop here.
Yeah. This is my personal car, and this is the 1980 280GX. And I bought a brand new. So then something modifying the.
It's got a nice set of Volks on it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's not standard.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's an RB
Yeah.
28.
Oh, RB28. Cool.
Yeah.
How much power?
Around 600.
Cool.
So Grady turbo, and inside is board and crank and
Yep.
2.8 liter.
Yeah, awesome. Wow. And Choto wide body?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's swapped multi-link suspension from the 300X, and a nice traction.
There you go, look. And this car has been to America?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
3 times.
3 times to America.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then we'll meet up US and Zika convention.
Awesome. Is this one of your favorite cars?
What?
Is this your favorite car?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Lightweight.
Yeah. So what else? What else? I've driven this car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he was nice enough to, so he threw me the keys to this at a track day and let me drive it.
Oh, yeah.
and then told me afterwards it had a mechanical diff in it when I found it goes sideways very easy. And this was almost new then.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I drive often.
Yeah, cool.
This 350 is currently owner is Yutaka Katayama, father of the Z car.
Okay.
Yeah. Just he ordered Nissan
Yeah.
to VIN number 13.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And is this,
This is used car, so
oh, for sale?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. And the one, the 260? The 260?
280.
280, sorry.
280 GX Turbo.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Original.
Yeah, and for
Low
sale.
mileage, yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And also, this is one of a kind, and the straight 6
Yeah.
engine for Z31.
Yeah, and is it factory RB20?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
With some extra Grady turbo and intercooler and a very, very old style modification.
Yeah. But very cool. Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Yeah, all original.
Wow. That's cool. Kakui.
Thank you.
Yeah. And the gold one here is a special car?
Yeah, it's so used to be modification.
Wow. How much power?
It's 800.
Wow, cool.
Yeah.
Must be Hyona. Yeah. Yeah.
But hard to get the traction.
And is this a factory color?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So it must be a limited edition.
Yeah, it's just only the 1990 model
Okay.
for normal aspiration.
Yeah,
only.
wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very
And
rare.
this is your friend's car who just had an
yeah.
oil change?
Yeah. And you know this
Yeah,
wagon?
Autotech?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, cool.
it's a
This your car?
Skyline engine. Yeah, for sale.
There's some Autotech Stagiaire in Australia. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, very cool car.
Yeah, very unique.
I think in America this car's legal now
Oh yeah.
for age. Yeah.
Also, this is another customer's car. Also, 800.
Yeah, wow. And this here, this what company is this again?
This is Stillen.
Stillen, yeah, America, yeah.
Yes, and
Yeah.
Costa Mesa,
Yeah. Wow, California.
California. Yeah.
SoCal. Yeah.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, wow. And this is where all the magic happens.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You can see there's a L series 6-cylinder there.
Just to maintain 50th anniversary model.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Very clean car.
Yeah, very nice. Original wheels, everything. And just restoration work.
Yeah. And this is customer's car. Everything original.
Yeah.
240Z, 1972.
Wow. Beautiful. Wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at that steering wheel. Nice. Yeah, it was a beautiful car. Is Taka in there in Japan now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Original paint.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's even better.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Original paint job. Damn. And I like the wheels.
Thank you.
They're very cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, what are those wheels called here? The name for them?
Oh, this was basically an US dealer option.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh, the number plate's cool.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Cool. Cool.
Okay.
This is like a Z owner's paradise.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And this is a very rare Mr. Cage sign.
Yeah, wow. Wow, that's
Too many.
too many.
Yeah, this is an engine.
Engine run, yeah, wow, cool. Is this 2.8?
Yeah, in the board 3.1.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
cool. How much power?
Just straight and around 280 or some.
Yeah, still good.
That's enough
Yeah.
for 240G.
Nice. And
This is something in a special crank.
wow.
Special
Oh yeah,
crank.
ARP bolts.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Full counter. Used for track mode.
Oh wow, cool. Yeah, old school style.
Yeah, yeah.
What computer would this run?
Oh, it's Tomei.
Okay.
Yeah. Then using R32.
Yep.
Yeah,
Okay.
basically
Yeah. Wow, that's cool.
with an
And
nitrous.
nitrous. Yeah. 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 Nice. How much nitrous?
Not so many.
Nah, just a squirt.
Yeah.
Cool. There's so much history in here. So much cool stuff. History and
yeah, thank
memories.
you. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. The license plates. California plates. This is a 2-story workshop. How cool is this? Wow. Dusty but cool. These are all your cars?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, wow. Oh, cool. Nitrous as well. Drag car?
Yeah.
Yeah. How fast?
Not so. This is for enjoying
Oh,
truck.
circuit. Oh,
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah.
Wow. Very cool. Awesome. Well, thank you so
you.
much for showing me around.
Thank you.
Just a quick tour, but yeah, it's so good to be back and see you. So that concludes my trip to Ultimate, and big thanks to Tetsu. I know he's a very busy man, so I didn't want to hang around and bug him too much. Plus, I just bowled in unannounced because I didn't even know if he was still there, but he still is, and the place is still the same. And the cool thing is he's got lots of stuff for sale because he's just probably just getting a bit older, wants to chill out a bit more and doesn't need as many toys. So he's got lots of stuff for sale. So feel free, if you've got a serious offer on anything you see in the video, to drop me a line and I can introduce you to him rather than sort of him getting bombarded with people. But yeah, I'm now going to try and catch up with another friend, but probably won't film that because it's just a catch up with a friend. But thanks for watching, and you can check out his website, or like I said, drop me a line if you want to meet up with him. Cool.